What is ERP software? Enterprise Resource Planning Software, or ERP, helps you unify essential departments and increase efficiency by centralizing data, automating tasks, and tracking and analyzing information. Common features of ERP software include ERP accounting, allowing you to oversee and automate core accounting operations across multiple departments. Business intelligence helps you assess performance and make informed decisions by providing you with data-driven insights. Inventory management provides up-to-date information on product supply levels and utilizes predictive analytics to anticipate changes in demand. Supply chain management streamlines the movement of goods from manufacturing to distribution to retail outlets. Other notable features include customer relationship management and human resources. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.